What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl here again, Nansine. Today, guys, I have a new video. Kindly, guys, go watch in my YouTube channel, Nansine. Kindly, guys, share, comment, and like. So today, guys, I have a new video, and this video is about what? Homemade cake. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a cake. So, guys, kindly watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see here, I have my flour, I have sugar, I have what? Baking powder, and then I have here my blue band. This is the simplest way of making a cake, guys, and have milk here and together with eggs. So guys, I'm going to show you how to make a simple cake, homemade cake. So guys, this is our blue band. Yeah, that's our blue band, guys. Let's add our sugar, guys. This is the simplest way of baking a cake, guys. Then you mix it, guys. We are mixing the blue band together with sugar, guys. So we are going to, at the end of the day, or at the end of the video, I'm going to see the result. So we are mixing it. So we are mixing our blue band and sugar. So guys, we are mixing it. So let's mix our blue band and sugar to make it fine texture. Yes, guys. So guys, we're going to add our egg. We're using here 3 eggs. This is 2 and this here is 1. So we're going to add our eggs one at a time, guys. Yes, as you can see, and then we will mix it. So guys, then in the comment section you can tell me how you make your cake, guys. This is the simplest way of making a cake. So this is our second egg. So guys, you can see the results here. We have our sugar, we have our blue band here, and we have our egg. This is our third egg. So we are using only 3 eggs. There we go. There we go, guys. So guys, we are adding our milk. So guys, you can see the way it looks like. Yes, guys. So guys, you can see our mixture here. This is a mixture of, we have eggs, we have sugar, we have milk, and we have what? Yeah, yes. So guys, we are going to add our flour. So this is the simplest way, guys. You don't have to struggle. So guys, you go with what you have. So guys, we are sieving here our flour, as you can see. So we are going to add our baking here, and we see results. So it's a 1 tablespoon of our baking powder. Yes guys, you can see. So guys, in the comment section, kindly you can tell me how you make your cake. So there we go, we are sieving our flour to make it. So guys, that's how we are sieving our flour. So let's mix it. So we don't have a mixer, we're going to use a spoon. It's the simplest way, guys. You don't have to struggle what. Use what you have, guys. So you can see, guys. Yes. So you're going to mix it. There we go. So guys, kindly watch this video till the end so we see our results, guys. Then there in the comment section, guys, you can comment, you can like the video, and you can share, guys. So see. Yeah. So guys, you can see these are all mixture, guys. Yes. So that's our results, guys. So guys, what do you think there in the comment section, guys? Kindly, guys, comment. What do you think, guys? You can tell me there in the comment section. So guys, you can see our mixture here. We have flour, we have milk, we have sugar, we have what we call eggs. Yes, and so guys, and our butter, blue band. So guys, that's our mixture. Yes, you can see it, guys. So this is the simplest way. Homemade cake. So guys, we have added our flour. So guys, we will continue mixing it to have a fine results. There we go. So guys, you can see. So guys, these are final results of flour. We have a final results here of flour, a mixture of flour, sugar, milk, egg, and butter. So guys, this is what you can see. So guys, let's. So that's our sufuria that you're going to use to bake our cake. Yes, and let me show you the oven. So guys, that's our oven that you're going to use to bake our cake. So guys, yes guys, watch this video till the end so that guys you can tell me what I've missed. Yes. So guys, this is my oven. As you can see, we are going to preheat for 10 to 15 minutes, guys, as you can see. Yes, there we go. So yes guys, as you can see, we are preheating our oven. So guys, you can see our baking tin is ready. Yes. There we go, guys. That's our baking tea, guys. So there we go, guys. So our oven is heating. So that's our oven. It's heating, guys. as you can see. So that's our oven, guys. Let's give it 15 to 10 minutes. So guys, this is our mixture. So guys, it's in our baking tin, as you can see. So we are waiting for 10 or 15 minutes. Yes, guys. So guys, we have put it in on our oven. Yes, guys. There we go. Yes, guys, we're going to set it. Let's set it. We're going to set our oven for 45 to 50 minutes. So guys, that's our oven, and that's our oven, and let's give our cake 50 to 60 minutes and we'll see the results. So guys, our cake is still heating, as you can see. That's our cake. Yes, guys, we are giving it 50 to 60 minutes. There we go. So guys, there you can see that's our cake. It's a simple one, guys. So our cake is ready. So guys, that's our cake, as you can see. That's the end result, guys. So kindly, guys, watch this video till the end, comment, share. Bye bye.